Hi, my loves. It's beginning to look a lot like Advent. Oh my goodness, y'all. It's the most magical time of the year. You already know what it is. It is December 1st, and it is the first day of 12 days of Christmas. Y'all, we about to get so glam up in here. For those of you that are brand new to the channel, this is a staple here. This is our fourth Christmas, y'all, of being able to do these daily advent calendars. And I just can't get over the magic and whimsy of this box. So first of all, we are decked out in all of the navy blue. And like the perfect gift wrap present, we unwrap the bow to unveil the 12 days of Christmas. Madame Glam calendars are very unique, usually ranging from 25 to 26 individual gifts inside. Now this year they did something a little new, and they did the 12 days of Christmas. But y'all, this box is packing a big punch because unlike previous years where there is mini bottles and only a few full-sized items, this box uniquely has 12 full-size limited edition baddies, y'all. So you do not have to worry that you're gonna fall in love with a mini polish and then you only have a little bit. No, this is enough to last you all the way into the new year. So day one was fairy primer, and I was literally looking up to the heavens, looking over to Madame Glam and asking, did you just make this for me? No, I know, nay. This is for every glam goddess and king out there. I am just losing it because I actually have a very interesting foresight into the box because Madame Glam wanted us to do it a little different, and they wanted us to do a large full unboxing for anybody that was interested in this new style of calendar and just to really see if it was worth the bang for the buck. And this is more than worth it. And I'm freaking out because they have extended Black Friday sales where this is now for the low price of $89 for 12 full size limited edition. Girls, like, are you kidding me? I am freaking out. So I wanted to make this day one extra special, and I didn't want to just do a swatch. So the swatch I showed earlier, that was actually from the live, and I wanted to go right into a full Christmas set. So crazy enough, we are only December 1st, but this is my second Christmas set of the year. If you guys got to see, I used Harvest Hues, Madame Glam's November collection, to do an insanely cute sweater set. Now, the tutorial for that is up on all of my channels. But with that being said, it really brought me into the holiday and Christmas spirit, and I was just so excited to unveil the goodies for the 12 days of Christmas and really bring you fun and interesting looks. So this set is actually inspired by the warm, beautiful cookies of Christmas. So these are gingerbread style, but also we got some butter cookies in the mix, cause how can we not? I actually want to do a Danish set where it's that blue Christmas tin, and those cookies, I call them my UK cookies. They are Christmas to me. So we are definitely going to be doing some more cookie sets and just everything that brings you the Christmas whimsy and magic. If you guys have any ideas of sets that you want to see this Christmas, please comment down below. But as I was saying with all of my excitement, having the insight into the goodies that this box has to deliver has really made me want to showcase each color in a unique and fun way and just show you how magical this advent calendar is. As I was saying, the very first advent calendar that I unboxed 4 years ago, my beautiful partner gifted me as a Christmas present, and I swear I've never looked back. That was my introduction to Madame Glam in the sense of being able to try their products. I have, from afar, admired Madame Glam, and I just thought, as a Canadian, I thought it was just something out of reach that I wouldn't be able to try their products. Now, knowing about their VIP program and the fact that you permanently get 50% off of all goodies for just a monthly price of $29 that gets rolled over into your credits. Now I know that I could have been getting glam from a long time ago. They do worldwide free shipping over $100. So that is insane. Not a lot of companies do that, and it makes a huge difference because as an international customer, you do have to think about things like duties and conversion prices and all of that. But with Madame Glam's VIP, that completely takes all of that fret and fear completely out because you know that you can indulge and enjoy something that's not going to ping you with crazy shipping or duties or all of those crazy things. So with all that being said, even if you're not a VIP member, right now there is such insane prices and sales going on that if you're looking at this calendar and thinking, oh, that rubber base coat needs to be on my phalanges, well, you don't have to worry because this isn't sold out. But every single year that I've done this, by the second week of December, it's sold out. So again, you're really lucky that it's even still available with all of the Black Friday sales. So if you see any of these colors during these 12 days and you think, oh, I can't live without that, then you definitely need to run on over. I just can't get over the fact that they hook you up with everything in this box. Now, I'm not going to give any spoilers for people that are just watching day to day, but be prepared. There is so much magic, and they don't just stop at builder gels. I'm going to give a little whisper. There's some cat eyes up in this box. So please put your notification bells on and come on the sleigh ride of the 12 magical days of Advent. In past years, I have shied away from doing full sets because I kind of want the days to build up so that I can create unique sets only from Advent calendar goodies. This year, especially with Madame Glam switching it up with the 12 days, I wanted to more highlight the magic of each gel. So I am using the colors out of the box, but I will be grabbing some goodies to complete the set. So for this set specifically, I actually pulled the white UV gel paint, which is a huge game changer. You guys are seeing, I am doing the most crisp, dainty, beautiful lines, and I will not have to top coat this design because we already top coated behind the scenes, the little cookies. So everything is ready just for that no wipe top coat paint, which we are icing the cookies as we speak. I also use, to bring these cookies to life, Traditional, which is from the Harvest Hues collection. And as I was saying earlier, each set I'm going to be doing unique. Some are only going to be nailed it, some are going to be full sets, but I want to really bring the art, all of the nail art goodies with this box to just show you how versatile and just how magical these colors are. For day one, they already started it off with a bang, giving us a rubber base coat that has the tiniest little snowflakes, the most magical glitter, and the most beautiful milky white. This is Christmas cookies, y'all. Dip, dip. So the moment that I saw this stunning color, I knew there was no better way to showcase it than to do a magical Christmas cookie set. I do have to take a moment to thank Madame Glam. More than a moment, I am so overwhelmed with joy this year being able to be a brand ambassador for June and for Madame Glam period. And then not just that, but this is my third year being able to have a sponsored advent calendar. So I am over the moon, and I am going to go all out to just show you how wonderful these calendars are. I feel so incredibly grateful that this was sent out, but I am not joking. Like, this is not me just saying this to say it. Advent has become such a crucial part of my year that regardless, I would be getting it. Like, I'd be like, I don't even care about anything. This has to be under the Christmas tree because I really believe the daily unboxings and just the magical limited edition goodies inside, it has made my Christmases for the past 4 years so special. And my partner jokes around with me all the time that she says, it all started off with Advent, but it did. That was my first introduction into being able to play with Madame Glam's formula. And I fell so in love that pretty much for the past 4 years since I discovered Madame Glam, every single one of my manicures on my phalanges has been glam. And that's again because I got my power back after having horrible allergies. Their vegan cruelty formula, cruelty free. We're not cruel around here. Cruelty free formula is just insane. So I am a glam girly for life, and anybody that is struggling with allergies or maybe just products that aren't giving them the result that they want. Maybe you're doing line work and the lines are running all over the nail, or you're trying to do a specific nail art hack or technique and you're just fighting with the nail. You don't have to worry. Madame Glam takes the fight, the fuss out of the whole thing. So I can't say it enough. And when I do my videos, you guys can hear it in my voice. There's just pure love. From the moment that I touched that magical formula, it was game over. A glam addict was born. So I'm just so happy this Christmas season and for Vlogmas to be able to feature such an amazing box that you can do so much with. So if you guys are loving these colors, please comment down below. I'd love to hear what you thought about this magical cookie set, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 2. Whew, these 12 days are gonna zoom, so make sure you got those bells on so you don't miss any of the magic. Thank you so much for coming into today's video. I hope the Christmas elves are treating you well. And again, do all things with love. Mwah. See you tomorrow.